Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to change featured image on WordPress website. The first thing you want to do once in your WordPress website dashboard, you are going to go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to select Posts. After selecting Posts, you are going to scroll down and you'll select the post that you would like to change the featured image for. So you are going to tap on Edit below the post name. After selecting Edit, you'll be redirected to this page, and in the right hand menu option, you are going to simply scroll down until you see the option Featured Image. You'll simply tap on that. Then you'll tap on Set Featured Image. And from here, you can search for a featured image from your media library, or if you would like to upload a featured image, you could tap on Upload Files. And you can tap on the image that you would like to set. Then you can add your alt text, and you can scroll down, and you can change the title if you want. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on Set Featured Image, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.